Okay, next up we've got the 2012 Triumph Bobber 1200. I'm going to grab the camera and have a close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go in for a close look at this Triumph Bobber. It is HPI clear. Let's have a full government mileage check. It does come with a spare key in the pack. It's also data tagged. Let's have a good look from the front. This is the touring model, but as you can see, it's had the ape hanger bars put on, which they do have on the what they call the old school variant. This does have ABS on it. A good look at the front. Let's move over and have a look on the left hand side of the bike. It does have the Triumph panniers, leather panniers on there, on the back. And it does have the little solo seat. You can see that there is a shock under there. They do look like a hardtail from the back and from the side. When you do look closely, you can see there's a spring and suspension under there. As you can see under the back there, you can see the rear shock. Now it does look very old school, this, but it's got all the modern high-tech stuff on it. It does have traction control. It also has two driving modes, which you've got road and you've got rain. So it does have the old school look with all the modern driving aids. What we'll do, we'll take a look at the controls and we'll turn it on and get the mileage for you as well. Okay, let's start this up. Let's do it run. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up that you want to look at in particular, you can do that. Send it to you over on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.